your boys them they crush on my body, yeah. And I move when they come to the 30th September. They gonna get on me, run down low, Attilo, Otilo, Attilo.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new vlog, guys. Sorry, trying to open the window again. Hope you guys are doing well because I'm doing okay. Okay, so welcome to a new vlog. If this is your first time, hi, this is Dima here with a very beautiful face. Okay, please subscribe to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for always tuning in. So today nothing much, we're just going to run some errands and go for a boat cruise at Jabi Lake. Even though that one is still not probably to go, we just need to go and run some errands and then see how the day goes. Okay, so see you guys.
What are you doing?
I've started.
We're heading to the. Are we not going to Jabi Lake?
We are going now. Say it.
Let's go now.
And we are going now.
No, it's not easy.
At all. So I like him, and they are in Peter be brought all these things now. Not Peter be changing all this narrative, right? So when you're gonna put the election, Kita, Amagona, or more, it's either I deliver
or I go,
or they kick me out. And the more you deliver, the easier it is for you to campaign. You need your distance when you during campaign. And people have already made up their mind on who to vote. That's one thing you have to understand. They know if you are good, they know. If you are bad, they know. So
guys, you actually at the mall. We couldn't go for the boat cruise again. Why?
We'll go.
Yeah. But it's raining now. When it stops raining, I think it's still drizzling. So, but it started raining. Well, first of all, we stopped by the bank and they said we couldn't pick up an ATM because their machine are beginning to get no network. So we decided to come to the mall and have something to eat and then go for the boat cruise. So let's just have something to eat first, and maybe when it stops raining, yeah.
don't worry.
I'm not worried. Thank you very much. Thank you. same lady that served us gave me some lime. She said it's going to help to deodorize the smell of eba on my hands. And guys, guess what? I tried it and it really worked. Like after washing with this dishwashing soap, it doesn't really get off that eba smell on your hands. But after I use this lime, I think lemon will still do the same job. After I used the lime, I smelled my hand and I found that that horrible smell, not like horrible smell, but that smell was gone. So ask for lime after eating eba if you don't want that smell stuck on your hands. All right? Oh well, you're welcome.
What's wrong with this one? Are you hungry? It's like the hunger have entered your brain. Enough?
Oboe the computer, I can say, let me just manage myself. You saw that woman? She was like that stuff is coming. The Kenyan up there,
So it's not yet here.
Let's just go and do both please and come back. So hi guys, I hope you guys can hear me. We actually thought my lipstick has made. We actually thought the lake is close to the mall. We just walk out of the mall and the lake is just outside. But they now told us that you have to enter cab and do Guinea and go and turn and go. In fact, the thing is that it was not close. I thought it was like up to 10 minutes drive. We even entered traffic on top. So where the cab guy dropped us is even the wrong location. Of course, there is a lake there. Let me just quickly show you. So as you can see, like this is the lake, but this is not this this is not where you enter from. Okay, this is not where the main entrance is. They told us to follow one route like that, be one hotel, Arena Hotel or something. So, but this is the lake, but this is not where we can enter from. So I've been talking too much today. So the long and short story is that we are in the wrong place and we are trekking back. Like we've been walking for like 3 minutes now. I hope you guys can hear me. I'm close to the road, so we've been walking for like 3 minutes now. But and it's like 5 p.m. so I hope they are still there, because my concern is after this stress now and it will be that they've closed. Me, I will not be happy. We finally found the place. So why am I already tired in advance? Why exactly am I already tired in advance? Okay. Guys, we finally got here, but unfortunately they told us they've closed for the day because each time it rained they close on time. So but my husband had to play with them to please allow us to go on a ride. Me at this point I turned to him and I was like, are you sure this is not God telling us something like take your asses back? The financial agreed, so we booked for a 15-minute ride. Not like it was cheap, though cheap is a relative word. So when I got here, I wasn't really feeling the environment. I mean, all you Instagram buddies, you guys, you don't used to show this part. When I got here, I wasn't really impressed. You can see they are using plastic bags on the seat because they left the boat out. Not like they were supposed to take it inside the house, but I felt like they would have covered it while it was raining. So everywhere was just wet. The seats were soaked. So the thing killed my morale, but my husband was so excited to do this. I'm like, who am I not to join in this whole vibe? So We put our life jackets on and we were ready to have fun, even though I was scared because the moment I step on that boat, my eyes were turning on their own. My husband was just feeling himself. Like, I feel like he has told himself, I'm going to enjoy this ride whether you like it or not. But why exactly is it tapping the meter or something? If this boat is not working, please let all of us come down. I don't want to do again. But at this point, we moved and I was beginning to have fun. My eyes were turning and I was a bit scared. I told myself two things. One, I'm never going to stand up. Whatever it is I have to look at, I'm going to sit down and look at it well. Two, I'm going to hold my phone properly because I don't want stories. Okay, so let's enjoy this ride.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. I'm a human being, cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want.
So guys, maybe I can the lens. If not, it will be off. So guys, we are done. We are finished. I don't know what to say, but it was great. Like, the experience was fun. So I don't know what is wrong with me today. So we are done. It was fun. I enjoyed myself. It was a fun ride. But these people, I think they used to do wayo. When we are going, because we booked for the 15 minutes ride. So when we are going, it was quite how do I say it? It was longer. The route was longer, but it took us like a minute or less than to like come back. So that my fan they either took shortcuts or before I was already at the river bank or lake bank. Well, yeah, whichever.
Never hotel.
Yeah, no, I mean we were already back to where we left from.
Okay.
Yeah, so but it was a very wonderful experience. I enjoyed myself. Okay, so see you guys. We actually bought something at the mall, one of the shops at the mall. So we bought a particular body lotion, but they didn't have like two of it, so they had to order from get it from another store of theirs.
Celeb, oh. Just see how I'm featuring in her vlog, man. Like, who does that for free? Oh, I did not pay a dime.
It's not easy. You will pay any day some. So we had to go back and we couldn't wait. We said, okay, since we have other things to do, let's just go and do other things. So we are going back to that Jabi Lake Mall, but I've forgotten the name of the store to pick the things we ordered. So I think, yeah, we've ordered our boat and it's like a minute away. That's what we're waiting for. Guys, we just got back. I don't know if you can hear anything beeping. Is the door like it's I don't know, it just spoiled this evening. I don't know how it happened, but I already called someone to come and check it out. Okay, so we are back and I'm leaving Abuja tomorrow actually. Okay, it's been a fun week. It's been an eventful week. A couple of weeks. Okay, it's like 2 weeks. So my flight is tomorrow by 10 a.m. Okay, so I've not packed anything. Like, honestly, I haven't packed anything. I'm just going to pack my stuff and get ready for my trip tomorrow. So I'm going back to it tomorrow. Am I going to miss Abuja? I don't even know. I don't know, but I had fun. The song was something else. I'm Abuja the matcha. Very devilish. Hey, okay, but that's my deal. I'm just going to I don't know if I'll still have dinner today. Okay, I don't want to say I'm going to have dinner before someone will tell me, Shebi, you ate like a couple of hours ago. And I mean, so I mean like you guys, my viewers, in the comment section. So I'm not sure if I'm going to have dinner, but I'm just going to I'm talking too much. I'm just going to pack my things and get ready for my trip tomorrow. So I'm just going to pack my things and get ready for my trip tomorrow. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. Hi guys, I'm set to go now. There's one thing I don't like is catching early morning flights, but it is what it is. So I feel like I could use I feel like I could use 3 more hours of sleep at least. But this is what it is. I'll see you guys when I get to the airport.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be be okay, okay, okay. Maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade.
Hi guys, I just checked in. When I got when I got to the first checkpoint, they actually told me that they haven't started checking in. I hope you guys can hear me. They actually told me that they haven't started checking in yet. So I just checked in now. I'm just waiting to get on board and go home and go and rest. I feel like I could use at least 8 more hours of sleep. I don't know. See you guys.
Will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Like nothing I found, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's
Doors are now closed and kindly request that to recheck your mobile phones and not done so. Please check your mobile phones now.
and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
So hi guys, I just got to the airport and I was trying to get a cab. They're telling me 15,000 and 20,000 to get to my house. Why? So I'm actually waiting for someone that will be a bit cheaper for me, like way cheaper for me, because I don't know I have to pay 15,000. I get the Agalagos just to get to my house. So, hi guys. I'm laughing because it's a very funny situation. It's not funny, Shabo. This is like months, let's say like 1-2 months since the last clip you guys saw. Yeah, I finally made it to my house safe, and life started happening and I forgot to edit that vlog. Just yesterday I posted a video and some pictures with I and my friends, insinuating that I was in Abuja, and then some of my friends, especially Max here, yeah, Max here was like, yeah, I didn't so we're expecting a vlog, something along that line. That was when I told her, my dear, I couldn't vlog go. But that was when I remembered that I had a vlog. Like I have clips of vlogs, a vlog that has been occupying my phone, and I'm like, oh shit, YouTuber. Well, let me not waste so much of your time, guys. I don't know. I'm in Abuja again. Did I vlog? No. Why haven't I uploaded the ones I vlogged months ago? Life has been happening, but it's all good, and I'm not going to sit down here and start making excuses. So yeah, I'm in Abuja for a CPD. I'm so happy I actually came for this professional training. Did I vlog? No. So this is the ending of that vlog. This is me. This is so funny. This is me ending that vlog. Okay, I don't know if there is something, because I literally had to go and watch the last clip where I told you guys I'm finding my way to go home. Yeah, I finally find my way home. That was way cheaper than what those cab guys were telling me. Okay, so I'm going to close this vlog here. It's so funny because this is like what's after. I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you like it. Like, comment, share to your friends, and please guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, subscribe. Okay, subscribe to my channel. Bye.